video, I'm going to show you guys how you can get to the airport, especially like Jersey one. But initially, I'm going to say like there's actually 3 airports in New York City area. So it's like the EWR, so it's like Newark Airport, so that's in Jersey, Newark, Jersey, and there's LaGuardia, which is in Queens, well, in the like Queensboro. So then there's other one which is JFK, John F. Kennedy, and that's actually the biggest one, which is most like the international airports that go. I will tell you guys about the other ones later when you're actually gonna go there, because we will use the JFK later on. For this video, I'm gonna talk about like how to get to the Jersey. So currently, if you're going from Manhattan, like you just take the train to the 34th Street station. Doesn't matter where you're coming from. In our station, we are actually taking the L to connect to the NQR, so we can go to the 34th Street, or you can connect with other lines. It really depends on where you're coming from in the city, but initially I would just say like go to the PENN station, 34th Street. That's where the NJ Transit is. So this NJ Transit, you can actually connect directly to the airport, so it's very convenient. What you need to do though, like you have to download the app. It's called NJ Transit, and this is very similar with Metro North. So when you download it, you can bypass, like for yourself or for someone else too. Like the whole train is coming, so, and afterwards you just activate it before you go. Like it's kind of been a lot when I've been here, people being like 23. Damn, this is long. Jeez.